How to choose good wheel spacer for Acura? When choosing wheel spacer for Acura, good quality ones are quite important. Good quality wheel spacer must be made of good material. The industry recognized material for BONOSS wheel spacer is aluminum alloy. Usually two types of aluminum alloy, 6061 T6 and 7075 T6. The forged aluminum alloy will have a denser structure and better performance than cast ones, mainly in terms of tensile strength, yield strength, and proof flow data.
Installing a Acura wheel spacer is an ordinary option that most people will do. For most Acura wheel spacer size, 1 inch to 1.5 inch is perfect to achieve a nice flush look.
The advantage of choosing BONOSS wheel spacer is that the hot-anodizing process on the surface of the material brings better corrosion resistance and prevent rusting.
The hub-centric spacer is designed with a step that provides a more precise alignment between the spacer and the hub assembly. This precise alignment ensures a tight and secure connection, reducing the failure of spacers caused by inaccurate installation. This not only makes the installation process easier, but also significantly improves the reliability and longevity of the connection.
That's all for today's video. If you want to get these BONOSS wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye!